recorded statement trap, a script for what to say and when to hang up. Did you know insurance adjusters are trained to use your own words against you? Why? So they can deny your payout and leave your family struggling with debt. That's why. It's what insurance companies do. In this video, I will show you exactly why you should never give a recorded statement and the specific script you can use to protect your rights. Hi, I'm attorney David Bronze. I started my career working for the insurance companies, and that meant my job was figuring out how to pay people like you as little as possible. Seeing how that system worked from the inside is exactly why I'm sharing these videos. I want you to know the same tricks I used to use against people so that you can protect yourself. And if you ever need to talk to an attorney you can trust, give us a call here at Bronze Law. We're always available for a free consultation. You ready? Let's lock in. I'm going to show you exactly what is happening when an insurance adjuster asks for a recorded statement. First thing you have to understand is that this is not a friendly conversation. And also, it's not required by law for you to give one to the other driver's insurance company. That adjuster, they're a professional negotiator who is evaluated based on how much money they save the company by paying you less. Again, it's what I used to do for a living. They want to catch you while you are still in shock from the accident and before you have any time to see a doctor or talk to a lawyer. If you tell them you feel fine today, but then you wake up tomorrow with severe back pain, you better believe they're going to use that recording to argue that you are lying about your injuries and your story changed. The big problem is that the adjusters use specific sets of leading questions that are designed to make you sound like the accident was your fault or you weren't injured. They might ask you things like how fast you were going or where exactly you were looking right before the crash. Even a simple answer like I'm not sure or I think, that can be twisted into a legal admission of negligence under Georgia law. They are looking for any inconsistency between what you tell them and what is written in the police report. This is the most common way that settlements are killed because once you have said it on a recording, it is almost impossible to take it back later in court, and at the very least, your credibility is going to be damaged. You should think of a recorded statement like a high-stakes test where the insurance company has all the answers and you are not allowed to study. They want to pin you down to a version of the facts before you have all the information about your medical condition or even the evidence from the scene. They might even try to act like they're your friend by saying they just want to get your side of the story or they can help you out. Do not fall for this because their one and only goal is to find a reason to close your file without paying you dime or as little as possible. If you give a recorded statement, you are giving them evidence they need to fight and deny your claim. All right, so what do you do instead? Instead of agreeing to the recorded statement, and again, this is for the other driver's insurance, you can use a very simple script to end the conversation professionally. And that's the key word, professionally. Always keep your cool. You can tell the adjuster that you are happy to cooperate, but that you are not prepared to give a recorded statement at this time. You should tell them that you are still receiving medical treatment and that you need to speak to your attorney before discussing the details of the accident. And if you don't have an attorney, just say you need to get your medical care finished and then you'll talk. This is a safe and professional response, and it stops them in their tracks because they know they cannot bully someone who knows their rights. Once you have said this, you should politely hang up the phone and avoid any further contact with their office. You don't have to talk to them again until your case is ready to talk settlement. Protecting your claim means staying in control of the information that the insurance company receives. Controlling the information is everything pre-lawsuit. You can provide them with a copy of the police report or contact information for your doctor, but the words coming out of your mouth are the most dangerous part of this process, especially if you're DIY. If you have already given a statement, don't panic, but you need to act quickly to limit the damage. A lawyer who understands the insurance defense playbook can help you explain the context of your answers and ensure that the adjuster does not use a single recorded sentence to wipe out your entire settlement. If you have an insurance adjuster calling you every day asking for a recorded statement, stop and give us a call. We're here for a free and confidential consultation. We'll handle the insurance company for you and protect your family from these traps. We have spent over 20 years making sure Georgia accident victims are not tricked into losing the compensation they are entitled to and deserve. To make sure your medical treatment does not lead to financial disaster, watch this next video about why your health insurance should not pay your car accident bill first.